During beta oxidation within the mitochondria of hepatocytes, acetyl-CoA is produced, which condenses with oxaloacetic acid to enter the TCA cycle. Excess acetyl-CoA within the mitochondria inhibits pyruvate dehydrogenase and activates pyruvate kinase to produce oxaloacetic acid, but oxaloacetic acid is utilized for gluconeogenesis and its level is reduced during starvation, migration, hibernation, diabetes mellitus, and other conditions when the blood glucose level is low or the glucose supply within the cell is restricted. During that condition, acetyl-CoA cannot be properly metabolized through TCA cycle in the liver and are accumulated inside the mitochondria. So thiolase or acetyl-CoA acetyl transferase present in hepatic mitochondria catalyzes the condensation of two molecules of acetyl-CoA to acetoacetyl-CoA. Acetoacetyl-CoA is also produced in beta oxidation during penultimate cycle. Some amino acids breakdown also produces acetoacetyl-CoA. For example, leucine, lysine, phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan, etc., which are known as ketogenic amino acids. Thus, acetoacetyl-CoA accumulates within the hepatic mitochondria. Acetoacetyl-CoA again undergoes condensation with another molecule of acetyl-CoA to form 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutaryl-CoA or HMG-CoA by the enzyme HMG-CoA synthase. The enzyme HMG-CoA synthase is only present in hepatic mitochondria and is the rate-limiting enzyme for the formation of ketone bodies. Then HMG-CoA lyase present in the hepatic mitochondria catalyzes the splitting of HMG-CoA to acetyl-CoA and acetoacetate. This acetoacetate can be reduced within the mitochondria to 3-hydroxybutyrate by the enzyme 3-hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase, or it can be spontaneously decarboxylated to acetone. Acetoacetate, 3-hydroxy or beta-hydroxybutyrate and acetone produced during high rate of fatty acid oxidation are collectively known as ketone bodies and are used as energy packets during glucose deficiency in body. Ketones and butyrate or these ketone bodies are soluble in water. This is the main specialty of ketone bodies and is different from fatty acids with long hydrophobic chain. Ketone bodies are also membrane permeable and can cross the cell membrane without any transporter by simple diffusion. Ketone bodies need no carrier molecule to transport within the bodies. So ketone bodies from the mitochondria of hepatic cells come out and distributed by systemic circulation to most of the tissues and organs of our body. It can also cross the blood-brain barrier. Acetone is removed as gas from lung by breathing. 3-hydroxybutyrate or beta-hydroxybutyrate is more reduced form of ketone body and can release more energy than acetoacetate. And this 3-hydroxybutyrate is reoxidized to acetoacetate by 3-hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, NAD is reduced to NADH plus H plus. Acetoacetate in extrahepatic tissues thioesterified to acetoacetyl-CoA. This reaction can be catalyzed by succinyl-CoA acetoacetate-CoA transferase or 3-ketoacyl transferase or thiophorase. This enzyme is present in extrahepatic tissues but not in liver, so liver could not metabolize ketone bodies. This enzyme catalyzes the transfer of coenzyme A from succinyl-CoA to acetoacetate. With the expenditure of ATP, acetoacetyl-CoA synthase can also transfer coenzyme A to acetoacetate to form acetoacetyl-CoA, but this reaction is less important. These acetoacetyl-CoA produced within the extrahepatic tissues are thiolized to two molecules of acetyl-CoA and enter into the TCA cycle for energy production, or it can be utilized for gluconeogenesis also. Formation of ketone body within the liver is called ketogenesis. Breakdown of ketone body in extrahepatic tissues to produce energy is called ketolysis. Presence of ketone bodies in blood and urine is known as ketonemia. Excess ketone body within the blood is known as hyperketonemia. When ketone bodies are excreted in urine is called ketonuria, and which also causes ketoacidosis. The overall condition is called ketosis. Ketone bodies are rich energy sources and essential in some conditions in our body were discussed. But ketone bodies are also toxic and can cause mild or moderate toxicities in our body during prolonged starvation, severe exercise in post-absorptive phase, high-fat diet for long time, diabetes mellitus, etc. Now we will discuss about biosynthesis of fatty acids, triacylglycerols, phospholipids and cholesterol after a short break. Please open the textbook available to you and read thoroughly about the oxidations of fatty acids and ketone body metabolism discussion.